White noise. Time trickles past 3:30, and all I want to do is sleep. His hand on my shoulder won't let me go. There's a distant hum. It isn't an animal breathing out, but a man-made thing pulsating. All the birds have nested down. Even the sun is slumbering. The trees have twisted inside, hugging their blankets of foliage, restless. Is this white noise the heartbeat of the world? It pumps an even, dull tread, walking in and waking silence. The body reacts to every echo of sound, every magnetic impulse. Stuck in eternal nightshade, we exist in limbo, hours and hours and hours. It cuts a knife through quiet. Hear it breathe in, exhale. This white noise fanning out until it absorbs everything.